Alright, YouTubers. Everyone always says that the 73 through 79 rear support, inner fenders, hood hinges will bolt right on to a 67 through 72 bump side. They will. They always say few modifications, but they never say what the modifications are, Eleanor. I'm just going to show you what you have to do.
Wasn't there an incident or something in the hospital, I guess, in South Wayne, right?
No one ever shows you what you have to do, so I'm going to show you. Your bracket, this bolt hole right here stays exactly the same. These two bolt holes right here have to be moved over on the bracket 5/8 of an inch towards the outside of the truck. This means you have to cut the bracket straight down right here and add a piece of material that's 5/8 inches, 5/8 of an inch wide to weld back in the gap here. You do that on both sides. This bracket is really in bad shape, but that's all I got right now. And this looks horrible. But it's cut, and it's a piece of 5/8 material welded in between it. You'll then go in there and weld it all solid and grind it down pretty and paint it, of course. I have put the Crown Vic Police Interceptor AC system in this truck. The Police Interceptor engine. I also put all of the AC components up under the dash. I'm going to build filler panels to help hide all that AC garbage. And I absolutely cannot stand the steering wheel, but I wanted to keep all my cruise control and all that good junk. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all how you put the dent side front clip on the bump side truck. And this bump side is actually sitting on a 73 chassis. In order to do that, all you do is move your rear axle forward 2 inches, set your bed on, re-drill your hose. Simple. Cut 2 inches off the back of the frame. I haven't done that yet. Also, Crown Vic sending unit in the Mustang gas tank. Simple. All you do is bend your float so that it works the opposite direction as it did in the Crown Vic. Simple. Police car drive shaft goes right in, works perfect. But anyway, that's it, YouTubers. Need to get back to work on the Eleanor.